Hello, this is Sarah at English Means Business. In this video, we'll test your knowledge of the vocabulary relating to production processes. I'll give you a description and then I'll give you first letter hints for each word and a few seconds to guess the answer. So let's go. These are the basic materials from which a product is made, for example, wood or corn. Raw materials. This is the action of turning raw materials into finished products in a factory. Manufacturing. This is a series of steps taken to manufacture goods. The production process. This is a series of machines and workers that manufacture products in a factory. The assembly line. Now we have an adjective and its corresponding adverb, which are synonyms for single or one by one. Individual and individually. Again, we have an adjective and its adverb, which are synonyms for non-stop or without stopping. Continuous and continuously. This is the manufacture of a single product. One-off. This is where a product is made for a particular customer. We say that it is bespoke. This is when something is produced to supply a specific and individual demand. Made to order. This is when space, such as a warehouse, is used for keeping raw materials or finished goods. Storage. These are the benefits of lower costs when a large quantity is manufactured. Economies of scale. This is a method of production where products are made individually. Job production. This is where one type of product is made, then production is switched to a different product. Batch production. This is continuous production of one product on an assembly line. Flow production. This is another term for flow production. Mass production. This is when machines are controlled by a computer rather than a person to manufacture goods. Automation. This is when an assembly line is changed to produce a different batch of goods. Resetting. This is when a factory assembly line stops working due to problems. Mechanical breakdown. Thank you for doing this video. There are lots more videos on this channel.